Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Artists. My name is Mina Stone. I'm the chef and owner of Mina's Restaurant at MoMA PS1. I wanted to interview different artists and have them share something personal about cooking and food from their world. My hope is that it shines a light on the essence of who they are, their work, and hopefully who we are as a society.
I'm Adam Pendleton, and I'm a New York based artist, and I make paintings and also works that could be maybe most accurately described as installations that bring together works and multiple media as well, including videos, sculptures, etc. I guess they could most accurately be described as total works, so many different pieces coming together to form one thing. My parents actually met because they both worked at a restaurant in New York City called Curds and Whey. And my mom used to be a chef there and made all of the soups, which actually had a bit of a following in New York. And my dad, as he described it, chopped the carrots. I remember knowing that there was a holistic view of food, that it wasn't about convenience and it wasn't about speediness, something coming together quickly, but it was rather about how it would taste, and in addition to that, how it could nourish your body. And I think that's something that I've carried forward in my life, this very, I guess, basic idea that you are what you eat. I love roasting vegetables, and I do it all of the time. And it seems like a very simple thing to do, but there are little things you can do, decisions you can make in terms of how much salt, how much olive oil. Do you peel your garlic? Do you put it in whole? Do you put some herbs on top? And I think that I enjoy these roasting these vegetables because, going back to those soups we talked about, the chopping of these potatoes, carrots, onions, celery. I remember these very simple things coming together to make something complex and wonderful. I'm particularly drawn to most things that are crafted carefully and where you pay attention to every detail along the way. And I think that's really kind of how we articulate ourselves and manifest as being human, is actually the care and attention we give to certain things. And food is real, of course, at the foundation of that. And so whenever I have like a really good meal, I and in a restaurant, and this happened at Zuni Cafe in San Francisco, I always ask, "Oh, what olive oil did you use?" It's kind of like this search for the perfect olive oil. But it's not that there's one perfect olive oil. And this I really like, is that there's one perfect thing. It's like human beings. There are right people for the right occasions, for the right circumstances. And then that speaks to sort of the poetics of complexity, because I think we're very much so living in a world where we're looking for one right thing, the one right idea or the one right image. Yeah, and there isn't. There are different things for different occasions and different moments, and that's articulates itself, expresses itself at our most basic of needs, and that is nourishment, that is food.